Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about Penpot Plugin, open source design tool. So Penpot has been around for quite some time now, and right now, it has received a very good update, wherein you can now use plugins inside Penpot. Now for all of the viewers out there that has been using Penpot for a very long time now, this upgrade is a really good one for you guys. So anyway, let's get started. So again, this is going to be the website of Penpot. Alright, so welcome back to the video. I only opened a project. This is actually a sample project that's going to be designed for Penpot that we can use for this discussion as a sample for this video. Now before we continue, let's talk about the plugins. So here's going to be them. We have it right there, the sub-center of Penpot. So basically what are plugins? You can get started, create plugin. They can use for deployment, API, FAQs, and example templates. These are the sample and different kinds of plugins that you can use in Penpot. Starting from shadow background, we have so much. I think all of the most used and all of the documents for project management can be found here. Among my favorite one would be these contracts and lorem ipsum. Of course, table is also there, and rename layers. Alright? So basically for this one, let's go back on the website. Now once we're back here, we have a way to add Penpots, right? Or Penpot plugins for now. Simply on this tool right here, right? You have your board, you have your rectangle, and at the very bottom or very right side, there is a plugin. A shortcut key is Ctrl-Alt-P. If I click on this one right now, I'm gonna have an option to download some plugins. I have two options, by the way. I can now write in the plugin URL as designed right here and simply click on install. Or I can discover more plugins. If I click on this one, it will open up the tab from earlier. Alright, so once in here, you can choose which plugin you want. So for this one, I'm gonna choose day and night. If I click on install for this one, as you can see, it will redirect me in this Penpot landing page, wherein it will ask me if I want to allow or not. Of course, I'm gonna allow it right there. And then you want to take a look, it will open a new draft for you. I'm just gonna click on that now for now and basically refresh my project. Now once you successfully open it up, open the plugin sections, and there is day and night. That's going to be one way on opening it up. Let's check out the second way, alright? Let me go back on the plugin section and just choose a sample here. I'm going to go for timekeeper. So instead of clicking the install button, click on the timekeeper right there or the name of your plugin. It will bring you here on the landing page of the specific plugin you're trying to install. You can copy the link, share it to your friends, install in Penpot application, which is the one earlier, and this is the second method. You can simply copy install URL, open up plugin, click on paste, and basically click on install. So you don't have to click on install from the Penpot marketplace anymore. Starting from here, you'll be good to go. Click on allow, and there we have it, timekeeper. I suggest the second method is much more efficient and faster when basically applying Penpot plugins. Now speaking of plugins, let's try them out. I'm gonna try this one. I have one right here which is rename layers. As you can see right there, I'm now gonna click on open. It will now open up this tab wherein I can replace every layer's name. For example right here, I have a sample layer that I have already renamed to Tutorialboxx. As you can see right there, which is gonna be this one right here. This is gonna be the layer for Tutorialboxx. If I select this one, and then the original name is here, I can now simply name this one. Let's just go for video box, something like that, sample. And as you can see from here, it will change to video box sample. Simply clicking on the add button right there, I have successfully changed it up. It's gonna be easy as that. For example, select twice and add in here video twice sample. As you can see a preview right there, simply click on add and you'll be good to go. Alright? Now for example, you have so much plugins going on and you don't want them anymore. To manage them, simply go to the plugins application again, and the trash bin right there gives you the option to remove the unwanted plugins. For example, for contrast, if I click on this one, simple as that, I have successfully removed it. And now I can just simply install more if I want some more, right? Anyway, for that one, that's gonna be plugins for you. Again guys, there's gonna be so much to choose from. That is going to be just one sample that I show you guys, but the limit is actually depending on your own skill sets and perspective. Alright, so that's gonna be Penpot plugins for you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe.